Hey guys, it's me, Maya Shantell. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you're new. If you're not new, thank you so much for tuning in again. For those who don't know, I do wig tutorials, makeup tutorials, vlogs, fashion tutorials, almost anything that comes to mind. We are a multifaceted channel over here. So today I'm going to be doing a video on this hair that I received from ARABELLA Hair. They also have a company on Amazon.com. So this hair was sent to me through Amazon, but the name of the vendor is ARABELLA. They also have their own website if you guys want to check them out. This is a 20-inch wig. It was a 613 color as well, and it's 20 inches. So this is actually how the wig turned out. I decided to dye it red, like this sexy vixen color, you know, something different. I just wanted to come on here and show y'all this sexy wig. But if you're ready to get into the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more. Let's go.
Just because it feels so good inside of my love, I'm not gonna stop, no, no, no. I want you, all I wanna say, anytime, in any place, I don't care who's around. Any place, I don't care who's around. No, 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 I don't care who's fragrance, how you love me when you gotta say shit. And I know you taste it. I make this. Everybody has face like you live life on an everyday basis. Already justice, already justice. If I told you that a fire would open a dark room, would you just